Welcome to GC America, where we make great products. Our next great product that we have created is EQUIA Forte HT. It is a glass hybrid. It is the next generation. You're able to use it for occlusals, crown buildups, class 1s, class 2 and load-bearing marginal ridge areas. So, how easy is this to use? First, you're going to take the capsule out of your foil. You're then going to activate. Place into your triturator. "10 seconds and 10 seconds only. While you're waiting through the 10 seconds, you're going to get your capsule applier ready to go. Remove, and you're going to place 3 clicks. You're going to place into your restoration. At first, it's going to be in a very wet consistency. This is where it's in a flow state. Do not agitate it. Once it goes and cascades a nice mat, it's going to take about 10 to 15 seconds. That is when you're going to be able to take a ball burnisher, wet, and you're going to be able to take and remove and mend the material to your margins. In 2.5 minutes, you have completed a full restoration. How easy is that?